Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the copyright on a song you use for your video editing in the CapCut mobile. So let's say I do this edit and I want to add audio to my edit. Here I'm going to just add the audio from my device. Okay, let's try. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this songs right here. I'm going to mute it first because I don't want to get copyrighted. So this is the song that I added. So to check the copyright, you can just click on the copyright button here, and CapCut will checking the copyright for you. You can just wait until the process is finished. Okay, so the checking is done and you can see the song that I added is has the copyright claim. So my video later, if I upload it on TikTok, will be automatically muted because the copyright issue is detected. And there are two options. I can just replace the song, or I can just mute the song. Here you can just click on the change sound to change it into the song, the music that is not copyrighted. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.